Like DCT makes here. Sorry ladies, I'm taken. You're gonna have to get your own husbands to do this. Right, here we got is Dave's purple glove, ooh, and his black glove. Look at that, see? Color coordination. Right, serious stuff. See if you can get your husband to do this. We are on a well, and up until last weekend we had no filters, and I cleaned this cistern and toilet about 3 weeks ago, and as you can see, rust everywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this, and then I'm going to show you fellas out there how to clean the bowl using pumice. Look, work light. You can even bring your work light in from the garage. Look at that, see? Okay, here we go. So first off, we're going to stir all this up, and we're going to get it into the bowl. Here we go. Oh, damn. Here we go. Let's do that. Right, here we go. This is clean water, obviously in the cistern part. Not for long. Clean as in no internals in it. Just straight from the well. So look at the colour of it already. Just scrub all your walls down. Get it all off the walls and down the bottom. Basically we're just stirring it up right now. Flush it. Just stir it up, get it all you won't mind, as long as you clean up after yourself. You get all the walls cleaned down. Now, last weekend I put a whole house filter, broke into the pipes coming to from the well, and put a whole house filter in, and you would not believe the difference that it's made. It's a 20 by 6 filter, I think they call them Big Blue. And it is, I did the other 2 toilets upstairs, and no rust, marvellous. We had a water tested, we don't have any potassium, we don't have any nitrates, there was no, I forget what they called, some of the germs that you can get in well water. We had none of that. The only thing we had was high concentrations of iron. It's kind of particulate, and then some of the iron bacteria broken down into in the groundwater. Yeah. So you clean the cistern out, right? Clean the cistern out, get it all nice and done. Again, there's nothing nasty in there, you fellas. Now, you all use the toilet like everybody else, like your wife does. So, don't be afraid to come and clean the toilet. Now, here we go. This is what it will look like in one of many different ways, obviously. Let's see. Get your gloves caught. So we're going to have, here we go. So this is all the rust. This is the high, like really, but the particulate stuff, and then this haze is like the real fine stuff. Now, if you've got iron in your water, you're going to have a problem with like a ring around there. That could be iron particulates. It could be the stuff in your pee. But there's a way to get rid of it. Yeah, and you got to put your hand inside the bowl. Duh. Won't hurt you. You got gloves on. See, look, Paragold gloves. See? Right. You go to Walmart, all the normal shops. You get a pumice block. Right? You guys see this? You see this pumice? And where the ring is around your toilet, it's not going to scratch the porcelain, but it cuts that mineral ring out of the toilet. And again, guys, look, tools. You got your light from the shop. You got pumice. Look, you brag to all your buds. You clean the toilet with pumice. And you keep going around. Now, this is where I'm going to lose some of you. This also occurs when the water comes out here and spins around the bowl. There's going to be deposits up under the lip. So, put your pumice under there. And you start scrubbing. Now, you also get lines down the bowl that come off the little tiny jets of water that spin down. Especially if you've got rust, you're going to see them all over the place. They can be quite light, depends how long it's been since you cleaned it. And you can get them like with a circular motion with the pumice stone. Make sure you ain't got a hole in your glove. That would be nasty. Anyway, so you get down here. Normally below the water line, you can almost just wipe it off. It's just where the water and the air, like rust on a car, right? The bottom of your boat's not rusty, but where the water meets the air, oxidization. It's almost the same as that mineral buildup on here. It's normally only in a ring around here. Plus you get it under here, obviously. Now, you'll know when you've got that done, use one of these old pads, not the one off your wife's sink. And just scrub. See all the junk coming down? You cut that off with the pumice. Right, you give this a dousing. Now we're going to go down. Elevated to hell, going down. Here we go. You're going to clean that again. You got your glove on, I'm going to hurt you. Right, here we go. This is when you find just the odd little bits here. Now, you'll know when you've got this done up under here. Got a little bit more down there. Let's get that. When you can take your paper towel and you can run it under here without getting any debris. Not too bad actually. If you hadn't took the pumice to it, that would be dark brown. Again, more than likely mineral deposit. Clean up after yourself, lads, when you're done. and you won't be sleeping in the shed or on the couch. They get ambitious and clean the outside as well. But when she sees how nice this is, you might actually get fed if you're not the cook as well. Oops, I gotta get into trouble for that one. Okay, that's it guys. Clean toilet. Remember, you use it too. Share it. You clean it one time, let her clean it the next. Take part. See you guys later. Now taking your gloves off is a chore. CSI stuff, right? Don't take the glove off and then touch the other one. Get it nearly all the way off. Pull your other one off with the glove still on. Ta-da. Later.